Yo, yo, think we're live. Uh, oh boy. Robert B, let's go. First one here always. Tuamas, what's going on? Biden decided to buy some puts. Did you guys see that? I'm pretty sure you guys are aware. I don't even think I need to explain anything. 40 something percent. What is it? 30. Even here in Cali, it's going to be worse. It's going to be like 57. That's more than half. 43.4% capital gains tax for the wealthy. And of course, that's going to hurt stocks like Tesla, which, I mean, every stock. Our beloved GameStop pulled back. I know we were saying Ames, he's going to go for a $10 close, and it wants to hold 10. It's holding there pretty well. Apple down, Facebook. How's Netflix doing too? This one already had its sell-off in the market open. It had a minor sell-off here midday. Viacom Discovery. You guys brought this one up in the morning. You guys said that this is the time to hop in. I said no, it's not. I still think these stocks can drop. But we bought some Tesla. We finally bought the Tesla shares, guys. Imagine I would have chased Tesla here at open. I'm like, you know what? I'll buy here at 740, 750. I would have got wrecked. I would have gone wrecked for sure. It's still slightly indecisive here. We're at what levels? This places us at yesterday's levels before the market closed, and literally the same resistance before shot up to 744. So let Nasdaq carry us to new highs. Let Nasdaq push us back up. Please don't sell off. It can go either way here. It's power hour. 53 minutes left. We're about to break even back on our shares. We have 20 shares of Tesla 722. We hit 729 right now, and now we're pulling back to 725. So this can go hard either way. Let's wait and see. It's gonna be interesting. My gut is kind of telling me that this might go for like new lows, but it's power hour. Hopefully Tom Brady comes through. Biden, Biden did what Ralph and Robert couldn't do, bring down my Apple. Yeah, but yeah, the Nasdaq's not looking healthy right now at all. This is more like a sympathy bounce. But let's see if we hold these higher lows. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. And this whole situation with the Tesla, the Model S accident, the fatal accident that happened is not helping Tesla at all. It's like we're balancing. I don't know what to do. We don't know Tesla doesn't know what to do. We have earnings and then we have the negative catalyst as of now. And look, we're pulling back 724. Is this really gonna go for another sell-off? It's trending now on Twitter. Capital gains. These are some pretty ugly red candles. Or are the green candles, man? Even SPY. Take a look at SPY from 416. Really almost close to a new high. And then out of nowhere, we just started selling off aggressively. Neo's been very wild today. A lot of wild rides. Wild swings on Neo. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Yeah, and they wrote a letter. What's going on, Andrew? To the Senate. Man, what is the market gonna do? Which way are we going? Tesla's low today was 718. I really don't know what we're gonna do right now into power hour. We have 50 minutes left. What do you guys think? New lows? I was uneasy like you were this morning. Yeah, and out of nowhere, they bless us with discounts. That's what I was thinking. GG's to the people who made a lot of dough on those YOLO calls too. January with the meme stocks. Now they're gonna get screwed. I don't think he did that though. Do you think Biden did this to curb the rich who bought a lot of Reddit stocks cheap from selling? Deep F in value. I don't think so. Nice title, Biden takes the market. Well, that's what's happening right now. He tanked the market. Go on God Pill stream again. What is he saying? What is God Pill saying? What's going on, Will? You came back at the right at the one of the weirdest times, man. Right time too. There's a lot of discounts, a lot of discounts. Every stock literally. A lot of tech pulled back. This oh, that hit on Amazon though. Oh no. Oh no. I think we're in for new lows, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I think we're gonna pull back even further. I didn't. No, no, Jennifer. Too early today. AMC still green. I think at $10 it's still up like what, 1.89%. Yeah, this one bounced pretty lovely. GameStop as well. Nah, tomorrow's Friday, right? Friday's tomorrow. We have earnings for Tesla on Monday. Oh yeah, by the way, Morgan Stanley boosted up Tesla. What a weak boost from 900 from 880. Oh, there it is. This is the letter from Congress. Tesla crash raised safety questions in Congress about driver assistance systems. It's not good, not good. A lot of controversy right now with Tesla. Puts on what? Eric, what are you buying puts on? Let's wait and see. This just added a lot more uncertainty. It's like we don't already have a lot of uncertainty right now. What's going on, Kevin? What is going on? Let's take a look at Coinbase. You think all the insiders sold on Coinbase? What do you guys think? This one hit 290 today, man. Is Kathy gonna keep on buying Coinbase? That's not looking good, not looking good. It was a pretty decent day, I'm not gonna lie. It was looking pretty decent. Spy puts. You guys see the VIX though? Do you guys see the VIX? Oh man, Shot up from 17 almost to 20 bucks. 20. Those VIX calls, man. Yeah, VIX has been popping off. Yeah, Tesla's not looking strong. I don't know what it's gonna do. It's not looking good. I think it's a little risky, Will. That's what I always say. Biden buys puts. He bought puts right before the announcement. Now he's buying calls. What's going on, Loris? I think even Bitcoin. Good thing bringing up Bitcoin. Let me see. Bitcoin also, I think, pulled on back, which makes sense. Yeah, it's at 52.4, man. Here comes Tesla. GG's on Tesla. GG's on Tesla. Should we buy more? Oh, that's I don't like seeing these pullbacks, man. I mean, we're about to go red on Tesla. We're in the green on the day, but on the open, we're red. Ah, this shoulder, man, it's killing me. Sell Tesla. No, I'm gonna hold it. It's not. I'm not holding too crazy of a position either. And if it does pull him back aggressively and I take a hit, that's even better because then I could double down and buy more. Man, these stocks are about to go on sale. Apple 131. Microsoft has earnings next week. Apple's headed in there too. What's going on here? There we go. 428 for Apple earnings. These are huge earnings too. Right before that, you have Microsoft 427. Man, oh man. Just be patient, be patient. Viacom and Discovery. Discovery went red. Viacom as well. Ooh, Tesla. Come on. I never sold my Tesla. Almost at 750. That wouldn't have been the worst play, but it is what it is, man. This was just a random out of nowhere. My alerts starting going off on my phone for the dips. I'm like, why is the market dipping? Everything was just selling off. No, yeah, I think it's way too risky, Will, honestly. Deep cold for the shoulder. We were all we always complain. I always complain about not having volatility during power hour. How it was just so slow, man. I'm like, where's the momentum? Either way, we go up, I love it. We go down, I love it. So now that it's here, let's just accept it. Let's just accept it. What's Dogecoin? I'm kind of scared to check Doge. All right, let's see. Here we go. 27. So it's only down from like a cent from when we left off this morning. It went back to 30 cents though. Let's see where Dogecoin holds, man. I thought it would hold 30 cents. That doesn't seem to be the case. I'm gonna dump 50,000 in Apple if it gets to 120. Isn't it really close to 120s? 131. So you're buying right around here. You're buying right at SMA on the daily. I mean, 120s before earnings or after earnings? Who knows? Make sure you watch Nasdaq and the overall market too. What's the best platform to buy Doge in your opinion? The last time I bought Doge was on Blockfolio. Not too sure how Robinhood goes about that. I think Webull just accepted Dogecoin too, so I'm pretty sure you could go with Webull instead of Robinhood. GTTT. I don't like it, man. Of course. First and foremost, there's no volume. No volume. Biggest red flag. Ooh. I'll pass on any of these potential squeeze plays. There's a couple of them, guys. There's a couple of those plays out there. Let's start off with the first one, popular one. Clav pulling back down 5% today. Which was another one? Obviously, we have GameStop, AMC, which are red on the day. AMC, however, is green. It's up 1.48%. There's a couple of those stocks on there, but okay, let's take a look on FakeTel. Fintel, take this with a grain of salt. The score they give this is 66. It's showing 0. Interesting. I know why you're looking at this now. The fee is ridiculous. 60, 70%. But the fact that there's no volume is telling me a different story, man. And we're coming off a yearly low too. This is at its lowest. It's at its lowest. I'm a riot. Are you talking about riot as in Riot and Mara, the miners, or I'm a riot? I appreciate that, no problem. Robinhood might put the brakes on Doge. No surprise on there for for them. Let's see. Let's see Twitter. Yeah, Coinbase is someone they said is keep adding to a losing position still a favorite hedge fund strategy. Coin talking about Coinbase. Someone replied, Kathy Woods is going to be the reason for the huge crash. She's bonkers. Yeah, I don't know why Kathy is buying coin. I don't know what they see that I don't. I think the fees is a huge problem. I'm even worried about Bitcoin too. 720s. We're almost near the lows here on Tesla at 718. We got 37 minutes left before the market closes. Let's take a look at CNBC. What are they saying? Oh, they're on break. They're buying the dip. That's what's going on. They're buying the dip.
350 points or so. The low of the session was over 400 at about 2 p.m. But you can see just the last 20 minutes or so adding to the losses once again. All three of the major averages down 1%. Southwest, American and Alaska Air all reporting first quarter results today. As a whole, the group expects ongoing recoveries in demand and revenue. The sector up more than 140% so far this year. Over the last year. Alaska Air announcing the new CEO in the last quarter, Ben Minikuchi, and he joins us now in an exclusive interview with our Phil LeBeau.
All right, I don't want to hear this guy.
Thank you, Wilf. Ben, thanks for joining us today from Alaska's headquarters out in Seattle.
All right, we'll put these guys to the side really quick. Meanwhile, let's watch Tesla bleed. Let's watch it bleed. I think we're red now. No, we're barely still green. We're hanging in there. We're about to go red on Tesla. We had just made back our loss, the fat finger mistake loss. And now we're back to break even. Oh, well, this trailing did not hold. Let's remove this really quick. Let's remove this really quick. Onion, sour cream, cheese, and corn dip. Why are people so set on Bitcoin? Do you research banks? Crazy new reset. I don't know, man. I think even just solely off of technicals, if Bitcoin flushes under 50K, I don't know where it's gonna hold itself. Yeah, Biden tanked the market. That's what's going on. It's right there at 720s. Tesla's once again back at the lows. If you're pulling your shoulder towards your body, it's always a rotator cuff typically. Doubtful it's torn. That's strained. Yeah, I think I just bench wrong. That's why I don't even do flat bench anymore. It's just way too risky. I do incline. Uh, that's exactly what I said, John. That's what I fear. Money will disappear with tag raises. It will all come crashing down. I think I think that might be the case. I think there's more downside to come. That's exactly what I had bought Tesla earlier and I resold it just because of that thought that I had. And I I rebought again. I'm like, you know what? Let's just play the earnings hype into tomorrow. But as of now, the charts are telling us a different story. Let's see, Twitter. What kind of news we have on Twitter? Capital gains is still trending. You have the climate summit going on right now too. Is anybody watching that? The climate summit? I heard it's a huge crap show going on right now with the climate summit. Is anybody keeping up with that?
And thank you to all of you who have tuned in around the world.
No problem.
I hope you've been encouraged and inspired, even as we know, as Shea said in her vibrant comments of frustration with we adults, alleged adults, we need to get the job done. So tomorrow we're going to dig deeper into the solutions and, excitingly, into the benefits of the solutions. This is the greatest economic opportunity the world has known since the Industrial Revolution. 4.5 to 5 billion users of energy today, rising to 9 billion in the next 30 years, almost a billion of whom, 860 million, don't have electricity today. Folks, that's a problem, but it's also a hell of an opportunity. And if we will seize the opportunity, future generations. Tomorrow, we look forward to seeing you. It's not as long as today. It'll be briefer for everybody.
All right. What's going on, Osvaldo? All right. It looks like Tesla bottomed out here at 720s. Are we going to see a reversal? We still have 30 minutes, man. We can sell off aggressively in 30 minutes. Oh, man. Just like we did in a couple of minutes here midday. Let's wait and see. Is anyone holding VIX calls? Curious. The legendary Ford, man. Oh, Netflix, are you gonna come down for me? My alert erased or what? Oh no, I forgot I took off my alerts. I moved into the right side. So that means we can set unlimited alerts without the charts looking ugly. Alright, there we go. Tesla's gonna crash. From what it looks like, it's not bouncing. Yeah, it's not looking too healthy. 719. We're back. Monday, Tuesday levels. Monday, Tuesday levels. There we go. There we go. It's indecisive, man. Tesla's really indecisive right now. It doesn't know where it wants to go. New lows, pulling back under sub 720s, or is it just going to rocket back up to 730s? We got exactly 30 minutes left. I bought Tesla exactly 2 minutes before the market decided to key. Ooh. Oh, Oh, that's bad timing. That's just bad luck, I think. And Sam, that's what exactly what I was just waiting for a decent discount. It's just a patience game. It's just a real patience game. Imagine the people who chase it up here at 750s. Now they're pretty much. I mean, this is all unpredictable. It just came out of nowhere. Look at this. It went from 745 on that 1 minute counter all the way down to 740. That should have already been a red flag. That sell-off was not normal at all. These candles are not normal. JL, you think there's gonna be blood tomorrow? Market movers, CNBC. What are you saying? What's moving? I kind of hear anything.
JP Morgan Chase and Intel. Intel reports results after the bell today.
Oh, we have Intel
It's down
today.
2%. Biggest drags on the Dow: Home Depot, Goldman Sachs, Microsoft. And Wilfred, we are tracking for the worst week for the Dow since February 26th, which also speaks to how strong the market has been. We're coming off of 4 straight up weeks.
Yeah, big intraday turnaround today. Time for a CBC News update. Rahel Solomon has it for us. Hi, Rahel.
Hi, Wolf. Hello, everyone. In a 94-1 vote, the Senate has passed legislation directing the Justice Department to expedite a review of COVID hate crimes targeting Asian Americans. Republican Josh Hawley of Missouri was the lone dissenter. An emotional funeral today for Dante Wright. That's the 20-year-old black man shot to death by a police officer during a traffic stop in Minnesota 11 days ago. His mother told mourners, quote, "The roles should be reversed. My son should be burying me." At a meeting of Japan's climate change task force today, the country's prime minister set a new goal for greenhouse gas emissions. He now wants a 46% reduction by 2030, up from the previous goal of a 26% cut. And tonight on the news with Shepard Smith, why some environmental groups are not satisfied with President Biden's new goal for the U.S. to cut greenhouse gases in half. And on this Earth Day, a sure sign of spring. 3 million tulips are blossoming in central Japan. The annual event features around 300 varieties of the flower. Now, last year was canceled due to the pandemic, but this year, time tickets are being used to try to prevent crowding. It's nice to see that something looks like spring, Sarah, because back here in New York, it certainly doesn't feel like it, but that's something.
Cold. It's too cold.
Very cold.
Rahel, thank you. Rahel Solomon. Stocks turning sharply lower today on reports President Biden is planning to raise the capital gains tax to as high as 43.4% for high earners. Up next, we'll break down market implications with Bank of America Securities' Savita Subramanian. Also talk about some of her favorite ESG plays on this Earth Day. Closing bell. We'll be right back.
Any thoughts on AMC? I thought we would close at 10 today. And I think Biden was watching the stream. He's like, you know what? Let's have AMC close at 10 because it's trying to battle $10. But of course, like I said, I'm gonna wait till May 4th. Even with GameStop, we're still around 150s. Testing these whole numbers. If Tesla goes to 690, that's a buy for me. My money's tied up, but I'm still watching. That's a problem too, Michael. I never want to have that problem. Or you want to try to avoid that problem when your money's just tied up. I mean, Kathy Wood's been selling some Tesla too. Alrighty. Man, those cases in India are crazy. 300K plus. All right, here we go. Here we go. Come on, baby. We're testing EMA here at 723 on the 5. Tomorrow's going to be a very critical day now. It's Friday. If we bleed tomorrow, I think hell's going to break loose next week, honestly. We've kind of slowed down here too. Tesla's gonna drop lots more. We have to keep in mind earnings are on Monday. What's going on, Thomas? It's okay. It's okay to state your opinion. You think Tesla's gonna collapse and burn? Just tell me. It's not like I'm gonna ban you. There we go. There we go. Come on, baby. Go back to 730. There we go. Come on, man.
It took a big spill all the way down 420 points on a Bloomberg report that the Biden administration is looking at raising the capital gains rate for high earners who make more than $1 million to 43%, double what it is right now. Joining us right now is Savita Subramanian, Bank of America Securities Head of U.S. Equity and Quant Strategy. Savita, we're
Yeah, Paul, it's 43%. At this point, C3, it's very hard to say what Tesla's gonna do. This was just a big dump on the entire market. Uh, you got a slight boost here with the price target from Morgan Stanley to 900 from 880. Earnings are on Monday. Who knows how that's gonna go? I got an Amber Alert. Natural gas leak. What's going on? And we're coming back down. We got 22 minutes. From what it's looking like right now, guys. It's not looking too strong. Who else is holding Tesla here? Am I the only one? There has to be somebody else. Holding Tesla. Good old Tesla. What's the volume on GameStop? Let's pull up Yahoo Finance really quick. Bill is holding Tesla. Joski's. There we go. GameStop volume for today is 3.9 mil. Today was it's a very odd week. We don't know what we're gonna do. We're going for new highs, or are we gonna just drop from here? Yeah, it's almost at 4 mil. Tesla volume is 33 million. This was last earnings, guys. Look, this is what I think. This is history is gonna repeat itself. We tanked last earnings. I'm waiting still for Viacom Discovery, Gifted Comedy. I'm too patient right now with those stocks, both of them. Nice. Paul took profits this morning with Tesla. Now you get to rebuy back cheaper. It's amazing. Hey, Ralph, do you think you could share your Thinkorswim layout? I never knew you could share it. I barely found that out too. But I have a video in the description below, and I walk you through it. It's really quick, like 2 minutes. Just skip the intro to the part where I show you how to set it up like this. Opinion from Market Watch. Warren Buffett could teach traders in Dogecoin, GameStop, and other hot trends a few things about Mr. Market. You guys know Mr. Market, quote unquote Mr. Market? That means we're gonna get clapped. Is that what he's trying to say? Is he hating? Yeah, I was never a fan of YouTube intros taking 15, 20 seconds to introduce the video. Like, come on, man. Just get right into it. Yeah, AMC's holding $10. Looks like they're holding it there. Not really moving. GameStop as well. Seems like we're slowly, quietly going to the market close. The bleeding kind of stopped here. Looks like we found a new floor. What does this bring us back to? Early mid levels this month. That's a pretty ugly red candle too. Is this the top, guys? Is this the top before we sink back down? I guess the only time will tell. I think tomorrow's gonna be interesting too. Very decisive day tomorrow. Tesla's coming back down. This is not good, man. I really think Tesla's gonna close at new lows. Alex, what were the ads? Oh, the gas leak. Where the city that happened, it's trending. Natural gas leak, yeah. Avoid the area. Mr. President is trending. Fat Wolverine is trending. And of course, capital gains. Oh, what happened with these stocks? Tobacco. Oh my gosh. Democrats introduced bill to reduce tobacco. GG's MO. What was the other one? This is a dead cat. This is a dead cat. It's continuing to pull back. News just broke out a couple minutes ago, like 4 minutes ago. Whoo! Damn, these are gonna flush. They're flushing. Cigarettes, man. This is bleeding. This is really bleeding. Just like Tesla. No, it's bouncing. Tesla's bouncing. Yeah, I don't know if Fat Wolverine is trending. There we go, NASDAQ. Man, if we were just a couple seconds faster. Is this worthy of a dip buy? You think this is really going to be a dead cat? Um, it's still dropping. $14. It looks like we're getting one last final push here. $46.40. This is aggressively now selling off. Look at that bid trying to stack up. $46.44. It's bouncing. Should we cash this falling knife? Or is it not going to bounce? Dead cat, right? This is straight up a dead cat. GameStop is staying somewhat steady. Oh, somewhat steady race over the L. Yeah, GameStop's kind of flat here at 150s. AMC $10. Tesla's trying to bounce. This one, let's see. Does it bounce here? Catch it. Double bottom buy in. The double bottom, I don't think we'll see it today. Double bottom sits right around 45.18. I don't think we'll see 45.18 in 13 minutes unless it really starts tanking. Big pulls coming. We'll see. We'll see. We got 13 minutes. All right, this is the moment of truth here. It's either gonna flush here on this red candle or push up. Just watch this candle. Watch it unfold. Oh, it's making up its mind. It's coming down. All in, never. It's bouncing. I have an alert already here set at 45. Interesting. What's happening, man? Tesla's not going anywhere. It's stuck here at 720. Get the hockey. I had my fingers ready, man. You already know the deal. My fingers are twitching. Tesla's gonna come down to our 718 watch. The Nasdaq is not looking strong. We have 11 minutes. I think we're gonna see a new low here on Tesla. Sub 718. Sinking ship right now. You think 120, Gary? I had a feeling it was gonna sit around 150s. Well, the cat has bounced, guys. The dead cat has bounced. We still got 11 minutes. And Tesla... It's trying so hard. There we go. Nasdaq's going back green on this candle. CCIV also bled. Skills. Oh, it was a 1982. It's at 1649 now. It's down 1.6%. This was another dead cat bounce here. Earnings is right around the corner. Yeah, she's been selling Tesla and buying some Coinbase, which Coinbase has not been so hot. It's down almost 7% today. It's going for a new low. Coinbase is going for a new low right now as we speak. A new low is not a meme. Let's set our alert just to watch this. This stock has had some of the weakest bounces on the 15-minute. GG's 420 or above 400. Yeah, when we hit 420, 430 on coin, it was just a bloodbath from there. What happened with Roblox? 69.69? No way. Coinbase wants these new lows. It's pulling back. Are people gonna buy the dip? Are people buying this one up, or is it just gonna sink under 290s? Here she comes. Oh, it's bouncing. It's bouncing. Saved itself. Saved itself. Tesla too. In a similar situation. I think we're gonna close at 720s, guys. It's not doing anything. It doesn't want to go up. It doesn't want to come down. We're stuck. They introduced the bill. That's why we're pulling back down on MO. But the cat has bounced. It's bounced. Is it gonna hit a new low under 46.25? Maybe in the next 8 minutes. I don't know. I don't think so. A new low is not a meme. Stop losses got triggered. Wow. Wow, wow. That's like going down. I gave him 60K. We cracked 290s, guys. We cracked 290s, hit 287. Yeah. Biden take the markets. Tesla's gonna go for a new low or what? 6 minutes. MO, the cat is still dying. The cat is still pulling back, guys. There we go, GameStop. 151. I like this push. All right, we're in for the last 5 minutes. Last 5 minutes. Why am I following MO? Just for a dead cat. Honestly, I'm just interested to see if it pulls on back aggressively again. I don't think so, though. This is why we're dropping. Democrats introduced bill to reduce tobacco in the United States. Not too sure, John. I'm not gonna ring the bell. $2 million Tesla calls on unusual whales. Guess they're betting. They're betting for just a rebound or what? Or earnings? All right, let's do a couple of alerts here on MO. I don't think it'll give us a chance to play this. There's 3 minutes left. And Tesla's still at 719. Looks like we're gonna close at 720. UAL, United Airlines is near the lows. Yeah, 50.97 too. This one's down almost 2%. Hmm. Yeah, possibly just a rebound, JL. All right, looks like we're gonna close here with Tesla at 719. The dead cat the dead cat is trying to bounce once again. We'll stop watching MO. Let's go to Coinbase really quick. Bouncing back above 292 after this ridiculous drop to 287. Stop loss is pulling off. 719. All right, here we go. 1 minute and 43 seconds. 1 minute and 43 seconds. Oh, we got a show in the chat. Can you delete your AMC posts? You are no longer respected. Shill. Yeah, they're just possibly waiting for a rebound too. I'm gonna swing my shares. See what happens tomorrow. See what happens tomorrow. $59 seconds. Seven 1940 43. I think we close at 720. Let's see. Let's see if we close at 720. Seven 1955. 20 seconds, baby. Here we go. One second. Oh, 71969. We're pretty close. Look at these huge blocks. 262K. All right, now we wait. Now we wait for a tweet from Elon Musk. Should we get another tweet from Elon? So we're holding 20 shares of Tesla at 722 average. 722 average. So now we wait. All right, guys. The fire sale starting. Is it just starting or is it over? That's the question. Tomorrow's gonna be a very decisive day. If we go red tomorrow, man, that's gonna set the tone for next week. I guess it's just like there's like a 10-second delay, right, on YouTube then? Yeah, we need a tweet from Elon right now. We need a tweet. All right, I guess this is we're gonna end it here, guys. We are gonna end it here. Let's see what brings what tomorrow brings us. I'm gonna be very excited to just open up my portfolio and just see where we are pre-market. Did we have a gap down, or are we gapping up, or are we staying flat? Red equals fire sell. Absolutely, baby. So with that being said, I think we're gonna end it here, guys. Video out tomorrow. I want to cover Tesla's earnings tomorrow. What I'm looking for. It's gonna be interesting. We're gonna stream Tesla's earnings as well. We are going to stream Tesla's earnings on Monday. Live stream that. Let me see. Let me see. Tesla investor relations. Hopefully this is not some kind of like GameStop thing where you're not able to get in. All right, April 26th. April 26th. Press release. No, it's not this. It's not this. Where's the earnings at? There we go. Tesla. Alrighty, we're gonna end it here, guys. So, futures, don't pull back on me, man. Rough is my father. No, no. Wait. Intel numbers are out. Oh boy, we're tanking. Intel is dumping. This is not good. This is not good. What was the revenue? 5.56 billion versus 5.89. They missed. They missed on revenue. What was the estimate? 1.14, I think. Boy, is this gonna tank tomorrow. Did you hear my fan? Netflix all over again. The big one next week is Microsoft. Intel calls. EPS guidance 4.6 versus 4.8. I think we have Snapchat next week too. And it's rebounding. We'll see next week. Microsoft, another tanker. Wait. What are the real numbers? Why am I seeing different numbers? So they beat on revenue and they missed on EPS. That's what it is. I'll see you later, Jelskis. Have a good one. All right. We out. Until literally just recovered after hours. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. Big important day tomorrow for stonks. And this is their guidance too. Look for Q2. They hired it, and the stock plummeted. Now we're recovering though. We're recovering. Gross margins of 55%. Maybe Tesla will be there one day. Maybe. We're what Tesla was. I think we're at 22%, 23%. All right, guys. What's on the left side of the screen? This is Intel. With that being said, I will see you guys tomorrow pre-market for another live stream, baby. Hopefully, our Tesla shares print some tendies. I'll see you guys later. You guys have a good, amazing rest of your day.